All right, I'm going to go through several of your homework problems from tonight, just focusing on negative exponents here. Okay, and you're going to notice that up here on my screen I have problems 1 through 4. That's because they are all very similar. Okay, they are all multiplication. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to multiply our big numbers. So for instance, in number 1, that's going to give me negative 24. And then you add your exponents. Don't forget of that understood 1 on that m, so that's going to be negative 5 plus 1, which is negative 4. Now remember, we do not leave negative exponents in our answer, so we're going to have to move this m to the negative 4 to the bottom, making our answer negative 24 over m to the positive 4th. All right, similarly, you'll see on number 2, we're going to multiply our big number, so that gives me 30. We're going to add our exponent, so that's g to the negative 7. So again, the 30 will stay on top, but the g to the negative 7 moves to the bottom and becomes positive. All right, number 3, 4 times 2 is going to give me 8. 8 plus negative 1 is going to give me positive 7. Everything's positive exponent-wise, so we're good to go. All right, and number 4, I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, I'm going to multiply my big number, so that's going to give me 15. Add my exponents, negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2, and 7 plus negative 2 is 5. So the only thing that needs to be moved is that e to the negative 2, making this our answer, 15w to the 5th over e squared. All right, so number 5, number 6 are same as that. I'm not going to do those. All right, so I'm going to jump down here to number 7, where you're going to notice we have a power to a power. Okay, so we'll start right here with 3 squared, which makes that 9. Multiply your exponents, g to the negative 10. And we're going to multiply that by the front term, which gives us 45, g to the negative 13. So likewise, we need to move that g. So it's going to be 45 over g to the positive 13. Same thing down here with number 8. I'm going to start here. So I'm going to square 6, making that 36, m to the negative 10. And multiply that times negative 4, m to the 4th, which puts us at 36 times negative 4. If you've got to do that math, you can. Or you can do 30 times negative 4, which is going to be negative 120. 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. And 120 plus 24 is going to give me negative 144. M to the negative 6, making our final answer negative 144 over m to the positive 6. All right, 9, same thing, 10, same thing, 11, same thing. So I've done several of your homework problems, 2 power to a power, 3 multiplication. So you've got about 6 or so of those to do on your own. Don't forget, move anything that has a negative exponent. Do not finish a problem with a negative exponent.